We believe that if we can change the health of children, we will change the health of Canada. The generous support of our corporate partners, their employees, and customers are helping enable this vision. These contributions provided critical funding for 13 of Canada's children's hospitals across the country. Funding that builds healing environments, revolutionizes treatment through research, supports the right care at the right place at the right time. Last year, our partners successfully raised over $50 million to help kids all across Canada, including kids in your community. For that, we can't say thank you enough. Thank you from all of us for helping provide care for over 2 million Canadian children every year.